all love wearing lipsticks. Well, today I'm going to share a few tips and tricks that has everything to do with your lipsticks and lips.
Keep your lipstick off your teeth. When you apply a highly pigmented lipstick, there are chances of it leaving traces on your teeth. So to spare yourself the embarrassment, just put a finger inside your mouth, making a pout, and then just go whoop. This will remove any extra lipstick that might spoil your pearly whites. Lipstick as a blush. Now take some lip color on your fingers and in an almost circular motion, apply to the apple of your cheeks. This helps you get instant rosy cheeks without having to spend on a blush and works as a great alternative when you forget to carry your blush when on the move. Eyeshadow as lipstick. So when you break an eyeshadow or a blush palette or just don't use them anymore, mix some clear balm on the palette and you have your own lip tint ready. Turn your lipstick into a long-lasting one. All you have to do is to keep a tissue paper on your mouth and dab some loose powder on it. This makes your lipstick transfer-proof and makes it last longer. Nuding your lipstick. A lot of girls face this problem when they wear a bold shade and are just not able to remove all the traces of it before applying a new shade. All you have to do is to dab some concealer on your lips. This way, your lips will become all nude and can easily absorb a new lip shade. Make your lipstick pop or correct the unevenly put lipstick. When you're out for a big night and want your lipstick to pop, just outline the outer edges of your lips with a concealer after you are done applying your lipstick. It will give an illusion of having fuller lips and the lip color will pop out. If you apply your lipstick unevenly, then you can easily correct this by dabbing concealer on the parts where the lipstick is uneven. Voila! You have perfectly framed lips now. Fuller and pouty lips. Now you girls can totally get those pouty lips with a few simple steps. After you wear your lipstick, dab some shimmer white eyeshadow with the help of your ring finger. This will make your lips appear fuller.
So girls, these were my few go-to tips and tricks. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more such exciting videos, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And until then, stay gorgeous with POPxo.com.